that made my life. You made full of surprise.
Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. Now I keep saying it in all of my videos and it's basically always a challenge whenever I'm shooting outdoors. Please don't mind the construction noises in the background. We'll ignore that for this video. And as promised, we are back with yet another haul video. This time this is going to be a Zara haul video, the much awaited Zara haul video. Also, quick disclaimer before we start, I am a little unwell today, so pardon if my voice sounds a little sick through the mic. I really apologize for that in advance. Now, I had gone to Jaipur a few months ago to visit my friends, and a lot of these things are from the Zara store in Jaipur itself. However, a few items are from the Zara online store that I got delivered here at home as well. So without further ado, we'll dive right into the video. But before we get started, like always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and let's get started. So I have these two huge bags from Zara. Initially these were 4, but I somehow managed to fit in all of the stuff in 2 bags. So we'll start off with this one first, and I will just be going in random order, whatever comes to my hand first. The first thing that I have is this rib knit top from Zara. This is basically a crop top in a really nice khaki green color, but unfortunately this does not fit me very well. I was not very flattered by the fit. It looked really good on the model when I saw it on the website. This ended up looking more like a thermal for some reason, and also it's really tiny on me. Usually I am a size 6 when it comes to Usually I am a size small when it comes to Zara clothes. I also really like the color initially, but when I put it on, it was not looking flattering at all, at least on my body type, which is why out of all of the things that I am going to show to you, this is the only product that I'm planning to return. The next thing is my absolute favorite. It's this beautiful velvet purple color top. It has a really nice and beautiful knot detailing here at the front, and also it has really nice and defined puff sleeves. Because of these tiny little details, it makes for a really nice and beautiful statement top. I think if I pair this up with some short skirts or even saris for that matter, this is going to make up for such a beautiful and rich blouse, especially because of the really nice and rich velvet material that this has. So yeah, overall a really good purchase. Definitely one of my absolute favorite items from this haul. The next thing that we have are these beautiful pair of faux leather pants. Now I especially like them because of the beautiful color that these have. The texture is amazing, and the inside lining over here is really nice and comfortable. It's basically a fleece lining. Usually faux leather pants are always available in just blacks and dark colors. These also, however, were available in black and one more color, which was chocolate. But I really like these ones because, I don't know, it was just something unusual that I found. However, one thing that I did not like about them was that these do not have real pockets. These are basically faux pockets which are not real. Only bummer about this product, but overall the material and quality is really nice. Obviously it's Zara, so you can rely on the quality. And moving on to the next item. So before we move to the next bag, the top that I'm wearing right now is also from Zara. This is one of my absolute favorite purchases from Zara so far. Now I especially like this one because of the print that it has. Of course, you guys know that animal print is all over the place. Everybody has been wearing animal prints, and these are super trendy. Another thing that I really like about these ones are these really defined poofy sleeves, which make this a really nice and good statement top. Another great highlight about this top is the beautiful square rectangular neckline that this has. Now, square and rectangular necklines are especially known to highlight your collarbones and this area of your body specifically. Personally, I really like my collarbones as a feature, so I would want to highlight them and draw attention to them, which is why square and rectangular necklines are a great way to do that. And these necklines are also going to give you a really nice and elongating effect overall. Now, as you guys can see, this portion of the top is stretchable, which is why even if you falter with the size, if you guys get a size smaller or bigger, you guys will easily fit into it, and it's going to look just as flattering. Moving on to the next item, which is my absolute favorite from all of the items in this haul. It is this beautiful velvet bodysuit. As you guys can see, this is a full-fledged bodysuit. Now, I happened to discover this one when I was getting out of the dressing room after finalizing all of my clothes, and as soon as I saw this one, I immediately picked it up because of the beautiful velvet texture that it has. If you guys can see, it also has these tiny little sparkles going all over that make it for a really nice and beautiful party appropriate top as well. This would also make for a really beautiful sari blouse, and this is also another hack how you can get the maximum ROI out of all your clothes. I also wore this top on my birthday, and if you guys have not watched my birthday vlog that came out just a few days ago, I will be linking it right above here, so you guys can go ahead see what I did for my birthday. It's basically a vlog along with ideas for your outfits that you can wear for your parties, and also how you can decorate your homes for your birthdays or for your anniversary parties, basically just any parties that you'll be hosting at your home. So that video is a really good video. Do check it out. Shameless self-promotion. And coming back to this one, I paired this with a faux leather skirt along with black faux leather boots. I will be attaching a clip of that, like I said. The boots are from H&M, and if you guys want the exact same boots, I have also done an H&M haul video which came out last week on the channel. I will be linking it up here, so if you guys want the exact same boots, you can find it there and check it out. Now, another tip if you guys are going to go to buy bodysuits just anywhere is to ensure that the bodysuit at the bottom has these kind of push button openings or velcro openings, so that whenever you guys have to use restrooms, you don't have to take your entire business out to just do your bit. So ensure whenever you go for bodysuits, the bottoms are somewhat like this. The next thing that we have here is something that I have lately been really obsessed with, especially for the winter season, are these beautiful pleated skirts. Now, pleated skirts are basically something that you can wear around the year, especially in winters. You can style them in so many ways and it looks absolutely stunning. This is basically a calf length skirt with a really nice and beautiful satin finish to it. So it looks really nice and rich irrespective of what you pair this up with. This is going to amp up any and every outfit that you wear because of the finish it has, because of the kind of pleats that it has. It's a very, very nice and beautiful statement piece to have. Now, the color is basically the showstopper of this entire thing. This was also available in an icy white color, but I did not find it very flattering. This was something that as soon as I laid my eyes on, I wanted to get.
You are the one for me tonight.
The last and the final item in this haul finally is this really nice faux leather finish lilac lavender colored skirt. Now, these colors are all over the internet right now. They are super trendy, and what I love about this is the really nice asymmetric detail that's happening over here. So the pleats are really nice and defined over here. On the left side, the pleats are really nice and spaced out. So this is also something which is really cool. Again, the inside lining of this skirt, like the faux leather pants, is fleece. So these are super comfortable. Again, something that you can wear throughout spring, summer, and also winter season if you layer these up nicely with something. I think this, along with the statement purple velvet top that I showed you guys, is going to look so beautiful. It's going to make for such a beautiful monochrome outfit. And also, all of the products that I have mentioned in this haul will be linked in the description box down below. So if you guys want to check out any of these items for yourself and want to get the exact same thing, then you can check the description box and find it there.
Between high and low, we are one, and let them know.
And with that, it's a wrap for this week's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this haul video. If you guys want me to do more such hauls, do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be waiting for you guys to comment. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you guys have any more video requests for me, do leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!